and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur and you are watching the Coin Monitor. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets traded mixed as investors await key inflation data and a number of Federal Reserve speeches which could indicate the direction of monetary policy going forward. Bitcoin, the largest crypto by market cap, traded down near $61,000 levels. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 1.57% at 77,062 points. US stock index futures traded largely unchanged Tuesday as investors cautiously awaited the release of key inflation readings that could influence future Federal Reserve monetary policy. Well, Dow Jones futures were up 12 points, while S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures traded largely unchanged. Investors are focusing squarely on the producer price index later in the session and the more closely watched consumer price index on Wednesday for clues over when the Fed thinks it prudent to start cutting interest rates to boost the economy. Furthermore, Bitcoin has been leading the crypto market rally since September 2023, increasing from 40% in 2022 to over 50% by May 2024. This surge is largely due to the approval of Bitcoin spot ETFs in the US, driving increased trading volume on platforms like Bybit. Bitcoin's popularity is fueling interest in Layer 2 solutions, which aim to enhance Bitcoin scalability and functionality for faster and cheaper transactions. BTCL2.info reported that there are 74 Bitcoin Layer 2 solutions with significant growth in the past 2 quarters. Speaking of the regulatory aspect, a dramatic change in the nation's digital currency scene has occurred with the approval of a pilot program for a stablecoin-backed Philippine peso by the Bangko Sentral Filipinas. In trial program, the central bank and cryptocurrency wallet provider Coins.ph will work together within the BSP's regulatory sandbox. Well, here the primary objective is to assess the real-world performance of PHPC and its potential impact on the local fiat ecosystem. Coins.ph will maintain cash reserves equivalent to the circulating supply of PHPC, ensuring a stable 1:1 pegging of the digital currency to the Philippine peso. El Salvador, the first country to make Bitcoin a legal tender, has continued to accumulate the pioneer cryptocurrency. In the past 7 days, the country has accumulated 7 BTC worth $429,072 and 30 BTC equivalent to approximately $1.84 million. Following recent accumulations, the nation's Bitcoin holdings rose to 5,747 BTC, equivalent to over $352.3 million. The country's Bitcoin office portal provides real-time information on transaction details on the Bitcoin blockchain, including miners' rewards and transaction fees. Tether, the world's largest stablecoin issuer, has frozen $5.2 million of its stablecoin Tether linked to phishing scams on May 14. The funds were stored in 12 Ethereum wallets labeled as USDT banned address. On-chain analytics firm Slow Mist chief security officer claimed the addresses were used for laundering funds from phishing scams. Tether has blocked over $1.3 billion since its launch, with $1.3 billion since its launch and with $1.6 million related to terrorist financing. Since late 2022, Tether has froze over $360 million in assets, including over $150 million in Jan 2022, $8.2 million in October 2022, and 215 Ethereum-based addresses. Well, Bitcoin was trading at $61,600, up by 1.5%. Talking about Ethereum, the second largest crypto, it was down by 2.3%, trading at $2,903. Next on the list is Binance's BNB token. It was down by 1.6% to trade at $585. Talking about Solana Sol token, it was up by 0.68% and was trading at $146. Cardano's ADA token was down by 3% to trade at $0.43. Avalanche's AVAX was trading at $32.7, down by 1.94%. Polygon's Matic was trading down by 0.5% to trade at $0.67. Talking about Doge, the popular meme coin, it was trading down by 3% at $0.14. Next on the list, Shiba Inu was trading down by 6%, while Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.43, up by 0.2%, and Polkadot was down by 1.6% to trade at $6.7. So that's all in the Coin Monitor. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. With 3.0 stay connected with the world of blockchain. Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs. Come explore and evolve with 3.0 TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. 3.0 TV delivers the news that matters.
Crypto asset investment products have seen inflows totaling $130 million over 5 weeks, marking the first time in 5 weeks. The majority of these inflows were in the USA, with Grayscale experiencing its lowest weekly outflow since Jan. The low interaction of US regulators with issuers' applications for a spot Ethereum ETF has increased speculation that an ETF approval is not imminent, resulting in total outflows reaching $14 million last week. ETP volumes continue to decline, with ETP investors currently participating less in the crypto ecosystem, representing 22% of total volume on global trusted exchanges compared to 31% last month. The majority of inflows in the first week following Bitcoin ETF launches were co-capital. Canada and Germany continue to see outflows of $20 million and $15 million respectively, with total outflows since the beginning of the year reaching $660 million. Bitcoin has been leading the crypto market rally since September 2023, with its dominance increasing from 40% in 2022 to over 50% by May 2024. This surge is largely due to the approval of Bitcoin spot ETFs in the US, driving increased trading volume on platforms like Bybit. Bitcoin's popularity is fueling interest in Layer 2 solutions, which aim to enhance Bitcoin's scalability and functionality for faster and cheaper transactions. These networks connected through bridges or other solutions operate separately. The rise of Bitcoin Layer 2 solutions gained traction in early 2024, coinciding with Bitcoin's outperformance compared to Ethereum. BTC L2.info reports 74 Bitcoin Layer 2 solutions with significant growth in the past 2 quarters. Rollups are seen as more advanced and likely to dominate Bitcoin Layer 2 in the long term. However, advancements in technologies like ZK rollups provide opportunities for growth, and Bitcoin Layer 2 solutions are expanding Bitcoin's utility beyond its status as digital gold, and the community's willingness to embrace change and new technologies will shape its future. The Bitcoin Dunes protocol, a DeFi platform, has seen a significant drop in activity since May 10. Despite initially being the top transaction platform in the Bitcoin ecosystem, crypto analytics firm Dune reports that activities on the protocol have reached their lowest levels since May 10, possibly due to fewer new mints and a decrease in new wallets interacting with protocol since its April debut. Despite thousands of daily transactions, Dunes has struggled to reach another $1 million milestone in daily transaction fees. Despite this, the protocol continues to be a standout, with various NFT collections surpassing market caps exceeding $100 million. Some of these collections, such as a dog go to the moon, pups.world.peace, and epic.epic.epic, have market caps of $2.44 billion, $171.60 million, and $37.78 million, respectively.